हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं जितेंद्र कौशिक और आपका स्वागत करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम बात करेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन पेट्रोल एंड डीजल इंजन। बेसिकली we will discuss 12 basic difference. First is, in petrol engine there should be mixture of air and petrol is injected in the cylinder. The first one is mixture of air and petrol is injected in the cylinder. In diesel engine, without mixing, the air and fuel is injected in the cylinder. The second one is carburetor is used for mixing. Carburetor is used for mixing in petrol engines, and in diesel engines there should be injectors to inject the fuel in the place of carburetor. Third one is spark plug is used in petrol engines. Spark plug is used to produce the spark for burning of the fuel. And in diesel engine, no spark plug is required. There is burning of fuel is takes place due to the compression. Now fourth is the pressure at the end of compression stroke. Compression stroke strokes end with 10 bar pressure in petrol engine, and in diesel engines pressure at the end of compression stroke is 35 bars. Okay, those. Okay, friends. Now fifth one is works. Petrol engine works on Otto cycle, and the diesel engine works on diesel cycle. Now sixth one is the power developed by the petrol engine is very low, and the power developed by the diesel engine very high. Okay. Now seventh one is used in the petrol engine is used in light vehicles like bikes, scooters, scooters, and the diesel is used in heavy vehicles like buses, trucks, cars. Okay. Now eighth one is fuel consumption is very low, very high. Petrol engines the fuel consumption of petrol is very high. In petrol engines, obviously the fuel is the petrol, and in diesel engines the fuel consumption is very less. Now ninth one is petrol engines is light in weight, and diesel engines are heavier in weight. Petrol engine, due to the due to the spark plug, the burning of fuel is takes place easily, so the lesser starting problems. Petrol engines have lesser starting problems, and the diesel engine has no spark plug, and there should be a greater starting problems in the diesel engines. Now 11th one is initial cost. The petrol engines initial cost is less, and the diesel engines initial cost is high. Now 12th one is maintenance cost is less. This petrol engines maintenance cost is less, or services is very less cost, lower cost. And 12th one of diesel engines is maintenance cost is very high. Now 13th one is noise is less, and diesel engines noise is very high. So okay friends, thank you. लाइक करें इस वीडियो को, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करें इस वीडियो को. थैंक यू दोस्तों. Please subscribe my channel for new videos and comment or and at this type of problem you want videos. Okay, thank you दोस्तों.